Hi everyone, it's Chris. So let's talk about something that truly separates the elite sales professionals from those that may just get by. And that is the Sandler Success Triangle. Now, this framework is built on three critical elements: behavior, attitude, and technique, or BAT for short. And when you master all three, your sales results will certainly reflect it. Now, a lot of sales training focuses only one part of the triangle, and that's typically technique. Say this, do that, things like handling objections, closing strategies, setting strong meeting agendas, etc. And yes, all these things are critical. It's the how of selling. But here's the reality. Technique alone will not make you successful. The second piece is behavior. This is the what, the proactive and reactive behaviors. It's the daily trackable action to separate the talkers from the closers. You can have the best techniques in the world, but if you're not consistently executing, if you're not making the call, setting the meetings, or properly following through in your process, nothing moves forward and everything's left to chance. So ask yourself, are you doing the right things every day? And there's the attitude, the why. It's the mental game, and you can only perform in a manner in which you see yourself conceptually. Do you believe in what you're selling? Do you believe in yourself? Do you have equal business status with your prospects? Because if you hesitate, if you don't see yourself as an equal partner in the conversation, buyers will feel it and they'll walk away. So here's the reality check. You might have the right techniques and the right behaviors, but if your mindset is off, if you're carrying doubt, fear, or negative self-talk, etc., head trash, it's going to show up in your results. So here's my challenge. Which corner of that triangle needs work? Maybe it's sharpening techniques. Maybe it's the need to track and commit to the right behaviors consistently on a regular basis. Or maybe it's you need to start with your attitude. So drop a comment below. Let me know where you're focusing next. Let's sharpen the triangle and close more deals. Good selling, everybody.